Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokili. Let us transcribe and sound these two words together. And remember, transcribing words can actually help to improve our memories. Okay, I will need to open up the slashes and that's what I've done. The first one here is sorry, and this one is apologize. Okay, let me close them up. Sorry, apologize. Sorry, apologize. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.